Hi, welcome to CoinFabric's Learning to Scout series on issues in Soroban, Stellar's smart contract language. Today, we'll explore a detection class known as Avoid Core Mem Forget. In smart contracts, proper memory management is crucial to avoid leaks and logic errors. The Avoid Core Mem Forget issue occurs when the core mem forget function is used to forget about a value without running its destructor. This can lead to memory leaks, resource leaks, and logic errors. Here is an example where this issue appears. Notice how the function core mem forget is used to ignore the value of n without running its destructor, which is a bad practice. Let's run Scout on this code. We navigate to the contract folder and run cargo scout audit. The warning related to avoid core mem forget appears, indicating the issue. To address this issue, we should use the pattern let_n, or the drop method, instead of core mem forget. Now, when we reanalyze our corrected code with Scout, it no longer detects the issue, confirming our fix. In smart contract development, it's essential to follow best practices for memory management. Always ensure that you avoid using functions like core mem forget, and instead, properly manage your resources to prevent leaks and errors. Thank you for watching. Learn more about Scout in the links below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.